Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to download offline maps on your PC. So here I'll be teaching how to download offline maps on your PC. To download some offline maps on your PC, let's just say you want to download the maps on your PC because there's a few days there will be no internet on your area, and you want to discover stuff in your learning about history and maps and so on and so forth. And here is the easy way to download maps on your PC. All you need to do is click on apps right here. After clicking on apps right there, click on offline maps on the left side corner. You will see apps right here. Once you're here, you will see, as you can see right now, I've downloaded the Philippines right here and right here. So download maps for apps to use. Download maps for apps to use when you're not connected to the internet. For example, the Maps app can use offline maps when you search for the place or direction. There you go, as you can see right there. As you can see, the Philippines, that's the only map I download. But you can download much more maps right here. For example, right here, Canada, you can download that. All region, there you go, as you can see, it's downloading. And if you want to delete a country, let's say, for example, right here, all you need to do is press on that and click on delete right here. Delete. There you go. Waiting to delete. Now, if you change your mind, just click on don't delete. You still have time to save it right there. So there you go, guys. So that's about it. And you can also change the storage location. If your C drive is full, you can switch it to your D drive here. For example, we're gonna cancel that. Say your C drive is full, you can switch it to D drive. There you go. As you can see, moving offline maps to D drive right there. As you can see, now it's on D drive. So you just save 149 MB on your C drive and moved it to D drive. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. As you can see, share map update, automatically update maps. So this become unuseful. Just leave this turned on. So let's say you down in the Philippines right here, and sometimes it will have a new work done, road done, or maybe a building. It will automatically download it right there, so you will always be updated. Even if your PC went offline, you still want to know the location of where you are going to, or you just want to explore the map. And so yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys the video books enjoyed. If you have more questions, you can type it down in the comment below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.